name's Jake. I work for Alien Gear Holsters on the ShapeShift line with the 4.0 holsters. So after the customer places the order, my job is to get the shells attached, making sure that the integrity is there and ready to go. I enjoy working with firearms and things related to firearms, and it is fun working here because I get to put holsters together and make sure that people have a safe and secure way to carry theirs. Hey, my name's Jake. Thanks for following us at Alien Gear.